and hi everyone. I hope you and your family are doing well. So today I am here with Oreo ice cream. So Oreo तो सभी को पसंद है खाने, मुझे भी बहुत पसंद है. But मुझे plain Oreo खाने नहीं पसंद है. So like make an Oreo ice cream or mousse or many such recipes are going to come up on my channel. So today we'll start with Oreo ice cream and I hope आप लोगों को ये पसंद आए. It's very simple. सब बनाते हैं. So even we'll make. I wanted to try something out of the box. Like cake बहुत हो गया है. Let's try something new. So here we are with Oreo ice cream. So all you need is a zipper bag, 3 mini Oreos, Oreo Silk, condensed milk. You can use any brand condensed milk. I am using Amul Mithai Made. Light whipping cream. You can use any whipping cream that you like. So now in a bag, remove all the biscuits that you have because we need to beat the shit out of this biscuit. Yes, you can even grind if you like, but then वो बहुत ही छोटे chunks हो जाएंगे. We need the ice cream to be chunky. So this is perfect. Now in a bowl, we are going to take 1.5 cups of whipping cream. Yes, it can be frozen or liquid, any which ways. Now we are going to beat this from slow to fast. Actually, it's raining outside. Please ignore the sound if you hear from outside. So sorry. So yeah, we need soft peaks, not stiff peaks. So पूरी तरह से हमें beat नहीं करना है. Soft peaks आने तक ही beat करना है like this. Yes, that's right. So now scrape down the excess part and bring it to this consistency only. Now we are going to add 250 grams of condensed milk. You can add 200 or 250 grams any which ways. I have added 250 grams and now I am going to beat it until 5 minutes. Straight up to 5 minutes. It's going to be fluffy and soft. So it will look something like this. Yes, and it's perfect. It's perfectly done. Don't need to worry. It's perfectly done. Now add in your Oreo chunks and mix it all well. Just keep on mixing, mixing, mixing. It's all perfect right now. It looks tasty. Keep mixing, keep mixing, keep mixing. Once the mixing is done, take a tin, any size tin, and start putting your whipping cream inside it. Fill it only half, don't fill full. Fill half because now we are going to add in our Oreo Silk. Yes, it's optional actually. If you like, you can add in Oreo Silk or you can add your Oreo chunk biscuits only. Whatever you like. I like Oreo Silk, so I'm adding Oreo Silk here. You can add both if you want, Oreo Silk and the biscuit chunks. Now fill the remaining cream again. पूरी तरह से ऊपर तक भर दीजिए अच्छे से. And once the top portion is also done, we are going to repeat the step. Yes, we are going to add Oreos. I love Oreos. Oreo Silk तो फेवरेट है मेरा. So Oreo Silk ऐड करने के बाद उसे हमें अच्छी तरह से क्लिंग रैप में रैप करना है. So make sure you wrap this क्योंकि फ्रिज में हमें अच्छी तरह से उसे एयर टाइट करके रखना है फ्रीज़र में. So you can keep up to right 6 to 7 hours. 5 to 6 hours is also done. Like you can do it. So you can see the results over here. And then it's ready to serve. Do let me know in the comment section how it was. Thank you for watching the video guys. I hope आप लोगों को पसंद आया हो. Do try and let me know in the comment section. And like and subscribe करना भूलना मत. कभी मत भूलना ये. Bye.